Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be putting some sublimation ink into our 27 Epson printer. This method will also work on an ET-4760. So we are going to start with magenta here. I'm just going to show you how to do this two different methods. One, we're going to pour it into the cup with our syringe, and then the other way we're just going to pull it straight from the bottle. Super simple once you get the hang of it. And safety first, if you're not using your needle, make sure you put the cap on it. Alright guys, so let's get into this. We are going to pour our magenta ink into a little cup here. And this is just a cleaner, easier, I wouldn't say faster, but a little bit easier way to pull the ink out of the bottle, so that way you don't risk it pouring onto your hands or onto your workspace. So now that we have the ink in the cup, we're gonna stick our needle down in the cup there, pull that lovely blood looking ink out. Try not to spill, try not to splatter. Make sure you lay down some paper towels so you don't get your table or your towel stained up. And then we're just going to slowly inject it into the printer. You see the needle is down in that hole there, and we're just gonna slowly push it in. And we don't want any bubbles, so if you do it too fast, you're going to have bubbles pop up. So do it nice and slow, nice and smooth. Don't rush this process. You could poke yourself with the little syringe here, or you could get bubbles in your ink, and that's not good because then you're going to have lines and missing ink. So this method, we're going to call it the savage method here. We're just going to shove that needle in there, slowly pull our ink out, and then do the same thing. Repeat the step with pushing it down in the hole and just slowly releasing that ink into our printer. Nice and smooth motions. Don't go too fast. You're going to get bubbles. Your printer's going to get jacked up. It's not going to work. The ink we are using in this video is, you can call it hiipoo, hippo, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. It is amazing. It gives us such high quality photos, and my shirts are coming up so much brighter using this brand. So I will drop a link in the description. But once you purchase the ink, this is how you're going to convert your printer into a sublimation printer. So you see here, you can check the levels right in the front. Again, this works with other similar models. These are the Eco Tank. We are using, I'm going to call it hiipoo, our hiipoo ink, and it works great. Alright guys, so for the second part of this video, I'm just going to show you what you'll receive if you decide to order this hiipoo ink straight from Amazon. You know, you're already ordering from them anyway, you might as well throw some sublimation ink on there. It's not super expensive. I think it was $23 for this box here. It comes with everything you need. You get your 4 colors. You get 4 little syringes. You're going to get the 4 needle tops, you want to call it. I'm sorry guys, I'm not a nurse. I don't know what the correct terminology is, but you'll also get a pair of gloves in there. And of course the needle parts come with protective caps, so you don't have to worry about, the kids poking themselves on accidents. As long as you keep the caps on there and keep them up. Always be careful, they look like fun things for kids to play with. They can play doctor with each other. Not cool. Alright guys, so anyway, this is what you're going to get in your box. It is not an expensive kit. I'm just showing you. You push it into the bottle and pull the ink out. So there you go. I actually made this little half of this video for Amazon. And on that note guys, I will catch y'all next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends who need help with sublimation. Bye guys.